Hi guys, I'm doing this video because morning I posted about National Civil Services Day and one of my friend texted me, Shravya, why don't you give us many facts or some more facts about the days? You used to post the important days regularly. Why don't you tell us that it will be useful for us in our preparation? So I thought of doing this, and if you want to follow, you can follow or you can leave. And April 21st, it is celebrated as National Civil Services Day in India. Uh, what is the importance of this day? Why this day is celebrated? Uh, National Civil Service Day. Uh, on every year from 2006 onwards, on this day, April 21st, Prime Minister will give some awards to the most efficient, hardworking, and the most committed administrators. Administrators are nothing but the IAS in the country, and this is to commemorate their services and for their hard work, which has been reflected in their service for the past few years. So to award the most efficient civil servants, this day is celebrated as Civil Services Day, and let me tell you some facts about this. Why only April 21st is chosen to be our National Civil Service Day? Because in 1947, our first Home Minister, Sri Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, on this day, he addressed the probationary officers at their training, first administrative officers in their training. So it is a day to recollect the first day of their training, the first batch after we got the independence. So this day is chosen to be as a National Civil Services Day. And coming to its origin, civil services, when Britishers ruled us during 1833, during the first Charter Act, it was at that time people used to call civil servants or the person who work in the British company, who work for the administrative purposes. Not all the staff were called as a civil servants. It's only the people who work for administrative purpose are called as a civil servants. And Warren Hastings was the person who laid the path for civil servants. And after him, many reforms were laid by, and most importance to the civil servants were given by Cornwallis. So he is called as the father of civil servants. So I repeat, Cornwallis is called as the father of civil services. And for the first time in India in 1833, there was a proposal to conduct an open competitive exam for Indians even to be as a civil servant, and somehow it doesn't work. And later in 1853, there was a committee called Macaulay Committee, which is exclusively a committee works for civil servants. And at that time, open competitive exam for civil services was done in India. And the first civil servant from India is Dr. Sachidanand Sinha. It is how it started, and civil services included Indian Administrative Service, Indian Police Service, Indian Foreign Service, and Group A and Group B other officers were there. Guys, this is about National Civil Services Day, and hope you like this. And please share with your friends, whoever is preparing for any competitive exams, not only UPSC, SSC, CG, SSC exams, and any other exams, state PSUs, any exams, because it will be useful for them. I am going to continue this series regularly. I'll give you some facts which I know about all the days, which were important both nationally and internationally. Thank you. And I thank my friend for giving me this idea. Thank you.